Una po, let me point out na sa Sabaya complaint po, page 90 of the Sabaya complaint ay nandoon po ang pagbanggit nito. In paragraph 269, high-ranking officials of the Department of Education testified before Congress that they received multiple envelopes containing cash amounts ranging from 12,000 to 50,000 pesos. These officials believed that these envelopes came directly from VP Sara, with one former DepEd spokesperson, Michael Poa, testifying that he received envelopes directly from VP Sara herself. So yan po ay nasa Sabaya complaint. Tapos, nandyan po yung clip nung testimonya niya mismo kung pwede pong ma-play natin.
May we know from the committee secretariat if the video of Attorney Poa admitting to having received that envelope with certain amount of money is already available? Okay. Kindly play the video.
Yes, sir. When I was Hope, sir, I became Hope. No, I can categorically say I was not able to receive a single envelope at all. But do remember sometime December 2022 or early December, I did receive an envelope, just minimal amount. And at times, pag nagsasabi, may mga times kasi, sir, na candidly, medyo napagalitan ako because nag-aabono daw ako. Because when people come to me as a spokesperson, sometimes they tell problems. I would give, at the end of the day, ang kailangan lang pala nila, 3,000, 5,000. So nagbibigay ako personally. So there were instances, occasional, although not regularly, not like monthly at all, that I would receive, but not from ASEC Shine. I would, when I would tell the VP, like nung Christmas, the VP gave it to me herself.
There are times.
But yes, yes, sir. When I was Hope, sir, I became Hope. No, I can categorically say I was not able to receive.
Umulit na po. Pwede pong i-pause na muna. Okay. So yun po yung unang clip. At sabi nyo, when I was Hope, sir. Pwede po bang ilinaw lang? Ano ibig sabihin ng Hope?
Head of procuring entity po.
Head of procuring entity. So hindi nyo po nabanggit na or banggitin natin for the record na aside from being spokesperson and chief of staff,
Apo.
kayo rin po ang head of procuring entity.
Only for a certain time po. Madam Chair, sorry.
Sige,
Madam
please
Chair, Your
clarify
Honor.
po.
Apo. If I may just clarify on all the dates, Your Honor, para lang klaro tayo.
Okay.
Kasi I think dun sa subpoena, mali din yung dates
Ay,
as
opo,
Chief of
please
Staff.
clarify then.
When I was hired sa DepEd, I was hired as a spokesperson with a rank of Director 4. That was back in July 2022. Ngayon po, yung pagiging Undersecretary and Chief of Staff ko po, Your Honor, it wasn't until April 1, 2023 kung kailan ako na-appoint as Undersecretary and Chief of Staff. And then yung Hope po, ako po yung naging Hope October, I have the date here just to be exact, no? October 17, 2023. Yun po yung nag-retire si Yusek Mercado.
Okay.
Doon po ako naging Hope.
Okay, thank you. So yung panahon na ito, December 22, 2022, hindi pa po kayo Hope.
Hindi
So
pa po.
kayo po ay spokesperson.
Apo, spokesperson.
Okay, thank you. And then you received an envelope containing an amount from ang importante pong sinabi niyo rito, the VP gave it to me herself po.
Apo,
Tama po.
Tama.
Binigyan po kayo mismo direkta
apo.
ng envelope ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ngayon, as to the amount, hindi niyo po binabanggit dito. By the way, Madam Chair, this is from the transcript of October 17, 2024. Wala pong binanggit about the amount. But in a subsequent hearing, November 5, 2024, ay may mababanggit na po na amount. Please play the second clip po.
Attorney Poa, do you remember receiving an envelope that has about 200,000 in it?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, no.
The simple answer is no. The biggest, if I need to share,
Yes, go
probably, when one time nakwento ko nga na nag-reimburse ako because of the media party, no, for, just to host the media for Christmas, I was given around 20 to 25 at that time, which was, well, to be candid, lower pa than what I made abono, but who are we to diba? So, but never, not, definitely not 200, not 100,000, not 50,000.
Okay.
Oh, Miss Catalan.
Okay, thank you. So dito po, sinabi nyo na I was given, so just to clarify, yung pinag-uusapan yung insidente na binigyan kayo, dalawa po kasing magkakaibang hearing to. This is the same incident.
If I may just contextualize everything.
Yes, please.
Your Honor. Kasi there were several incidents na nire-reimburse ako, although hindi siya yung monthly, no? So, for example, Your Honor, that incident that we were pertaining to, the same incident close to December, because we had to host, alam niyo na, yung fellowship ng media, kinulang po yung budget ng DepEd, so naglabas ako ng sarili kong pera. So that's what happened. Now, in other incidents, similarly, that's why I had to really categorically say that these were reimbursements for personal expenses that I personally shelled out po.
Okay. So binigyan po kayo ng binigyan kayo sa isang envelope ni Vice President Sara Duterte ng 20 to 25,000 pesos noong December 2022. Tama
Opo.
po?
Hindi ko na po matandaan kung 20 to 25, but yes, it was the same.
Well,
it
yun
was
yung
the
sinabi
same.
nyo rito.
Yes po, ito po.
Okay. Okay, so binigyan kayo nun. Tapos, parang binanggit mo na rin, hindi ito yung iisang pagkakataon na binibigyan kayo. Kasi sabi nyo dito, the biggest if I need to share, so implying that you received more than once. Tama po?
Madam Chair, yes.
Yes. Okay.
That was the truth.
Sabi nyo po, reimbursement. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po, yung binigay sa inyo ay hindi sweldo, hindi rin yung mga allowances na tinatanggap ng government employee under salary standardization law. Tama po ba?
Tama po, at hindi po siya regular, Your Honor.
Hindi regular.
Hindi siya monthly,
Okay.
kumbaga. That's what I meant to say.
Reimbursement. So, meron po ba kayong resibong pinirmahan bilang reimbursement?
Honorable Tino, please
Yes.
confine to what appears in the transcript.
Okay.
You might be probing already.
All right.